Welcome back, students. In this video lecture, we will learn about the introduction to DAX. So what actually a DAX is? DAX is basically data analysis expression. If we talk about the definition of DAX, so what actually a DAX is? DAX is a formula language and is a collection of functions, operators, and constants that can be used in a formula or expression to calculate and return one or more values. Just like other programming languages, for example, Python, R programming language, Ruby programming language, C++ programming language. DAX is also a programming language which is being used in Power BI to perform calculations. A DAX function is an inbuilt function that is provided in the DAX language to enable us to perform different kind of actions. For example, to calculate the average of a specific column, to calculate the minimum of a specific column, calculate rolling average of a specific column, and so on. There are different DAX functions that are available to us. We will cover a few of them in the upcoming lecture. If we talk about the usage of DAX, there are three ways we can use DAX formulas in Power BI. The first one is calculated tables. These calculation will add an additional table to the reports based on a formula. The second one is calculated column. We will learn how we can create a calculated column in the next lecture. And calculated measures. These calculation add a summary or aggregated measure to a table based on a formula. So in the next video lecture, we will learn how we can create a calculated column using DAX and how we can create a calculated measure using DAX. We will not cover the calculated tables because that is a little bit advanced. So we will cover the calculated tables later on. So what actually a DAX formula looks like? A DAX formula consists of the 5 parts. The first one is the name of the measure. The second one is the equal operator. The third one is a DAX function or combination of functions. Next we have opening and closing parentheses. And finally we have a column and or table reference on which we want to perform a DAX formula. So that is all for this video. In the next video, we will learn how we can use the DAX formulas and DAX functions to calculate calculated columns or to create a calculated measure from existing columns that are already present in database. That is all for this video. See you in the next video.